Hello everyone, my name is Shawn Elson from EC22004C3, and today I'm going to show you how to evaluate and analyze solid waste at home. First, in order to get the data needed, we will be sorting and separating the waste based on the solid waste characteristic. This waste will be separated into organic and non-organic waste. For this project, the non-organic waste will only be separated into plastic, paper, metal, and glass. For the waste sample, the total mass of the waste along with the mass of each plastic, paper, metal, glass, and organic waste will be recorded as data for analysis. The equipment that will be needed for this project is the weighing scale to record the mass of the waste and gloves to make sure our hands are protected. Now, let's start sorting and separating the waste. First, we have to determine the total mass of the waste. Before proceeding, we must put on our glove and then only can we separate the waste based on its solid waste characteristic. For this sample, we are only able to separate it into plastic, paper, and organic waste. After that, we will weight it again to determine the mass for each characteristic. Please do not forget to record all the data. The next sample are taken on 28 May 2020. Just like the previous procedure, we are going to record the total mass of the waste. The total mass for this sample waste are about 440 grams. Again, please do not forget to wear a gloves. Now, we can separate it based on solid waste characteristic. Then, we will take the weight again to determine the mass for each characteristic, and please don't forget to record all the data. The third sample are taken on 5 June 2020. Just like the previous procedure, we are going to record the total mass of the waste. For this waste, it is weighed about 370 grams. For this sample, it has more type of solid waste characteristic. Unlike the other sample, in this sample we will be able to separate it into paper, plastic, metal, glass, and organic waste. The plastic have a mass about 200 grams, the paper and organic waste with less than 10 grams, with the mass of 30 grams and 120 grams are metal and glass respectively. After that, we will tabulate all the data that was recorded on the third day. The final sample are taken on 12 June 2020. Following our previous procedure, we are going to record the total mass for this waste. The fourth waste sample is weighed about 320 grams. This sample are then separated into plastic, paper, and organic waste. The plastic have a mass about 140 grams, while the paper is also have the mass of 140 grams. The organic waste is only 40 grams. After that, we can tabulate our data from the final waste sample into the table. These data are collected from sorting and separating of sample waste obtained from a single-story house with one occupant. The samples are collected for every 7 days. Final data shows that, by average, plastic have the highest mass ratio compared to the other solid waste characteristic. This is because plastic are the most used material for daily activities, such as packaging goods, electrical device cover, and others. On the other hand, paper are the second highest mass ratio compared to plastic, metal, glass, and organic waste. This happens because paper are used daily as writing sheets and also packaging goods as an alternative to plastic. Unlike plastic, metal have the lowest mass ratio compared to other waste characteristics. This is due to the fact that metal usually can be easily recycled and resell as a metal scrap. And that is how we can evaluate and analyze solid waste at home. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.